Guys, so I have this needle ball and it's so squishy. Like, just look. I got a needle ball. And it's super squishy. And I have a tangle. And pop tube. And I love them. I have poppers, but I have them in my backpack. My teacher said I can take them to school. And this is what I got. And I have my backpack here so I can show you my poppers. Of course. Pineapple, square, and sprinkle poppet. Circle poppet. Oh, my friend, she gave me this. Her name is Katya, and she's the best friend ever. And my name is Catherine, and I'm the new YouTuber. See you. And I'm going to show you all my fidgets. Ta-da! I got my fidgets. And look. And there's a bunch of them. See you.